7 ways to make a picky eater eat. Many children are picky about what they eat, especially when they are toddlers. Every child's preferences varies. Some may prefer sweet foods, others may prefer foods with certain tastes and textures. A child is considered to be a picky eater if they exhibit the following behaviors: don't show interest in trying new foods, only eating few foods, not showing interest in eating, refusing to eat certain types of food. Here are the 7 ways by which you can help your child feel comfortable with the food time. Number 1. Eat meals together as a family. Try to assign a particular time for dinner that works better for everyone and try to stick to it. This gives your child a chance to see you setting an example of eating the same type of foods that was given to her to eat on her plate. Number 2. Set a particular routine. Children may feel more enthusiastic to eat if they are on a particular schedule. Try to give meals around same time every day. This might help in habit formation. Number 3. Introduce new foods early. Introduce one new food at a time when your kid is really hungry. Try introducing new and different types of food at a very early age. This will help the kids to be enthusiastic in trying new foods with different textures, shapes and colors. Number 4. Include your child in meal preparation. In some small way, make the child feel like he is really a part in the making of his own food. This feeling of self-admiration would make him feel interested in the food that he is given to him to eat. While shopping, let them pick new things to try. Prepare foods in fun ways like using fruits or vegetables to make faces on breads, pancakes, etc. Number 5. Mask healthy foods. You can make your child try new things by mixing them with foods she already likes. Mixing fruits and vegetables to smoothies and soups is a great idea to start with. Number 6. Stay away from distractions while eating. Turning off the TV and any other electronics during mealtime will help your child focus on eating. This will make her feel like mealtime is something very significant. Number 7. Accept your child's picky eating habit. Don't make the child feel frightened about mealtime by forcing your child to eat. Instead, you can try different fun ways to ease their anxiety during mealtime. If your child is a picky eater, talk to your child's doctor about your concerns and ask him to review your child's height and weight to see if her growth is on track for her age. This will help in making sure that your child is getting her daily required nutrients from food.